If you are a Saskatchewan retailer, you are smiling, or at least making 2.5 cents a litre to cover some of your costs.
It seems Saskatchewan-side gas stations are reaping the so-called Alberta advantage by taking advantage of the provincial carbon tax.
2.5 cents a litre is nothing to sneeze at. It's actually a pretty significant advantage. So you can see a circumstance where retailers on the Saskatchewan side will do very well, while those on the Alberta side could potentially go bankrupt.
Alberta stations have long been paying 13 cents per litre in taxes, while their Saskatchewan counterparts paid 15 cents, but the Saskatchewan government covered that 2 cent per litre difference. Since January 1st, that subsidy has been waived, so Sask side dealers are paying the full 15 cents, while Alberta side dealers pay 17.5 cents per litre. But prices have remained virtually identical, which has consumers wondering why.
Alberta gas retailers who may be down 2.5 cents a litre and are going to keep a brave face and maintain the prices consistent with the Saskatchewan retailers.
The inconsistency is raising concern with local officials.
We've always fought to keep Lloydminster as a single seamless city. And whenever there's regulation or taxation from the two provinces that creates an inequity between the two halves of the city, we've worked hard to make sure that both sides of our city are treated, basically the same.
The Chamber of Commerce is already taking steps to do just that, similar to when the Saskatchewan government waived the PST in Lloydminster in 2001.
We are looking for and recommending that they make an exemption of Lloydminster as far as a carbon tax goes.
The Chamber is now waiting for a response from the Alberta government after sending a request for exemption on December 15th. In a statement to Newcap News, the press secretary to Environment Minister Shannon Phillips says discussions are ongoing with a federal price on carbon coming in 2018. Newcap News reached out to various gas station owners on both sides of the 4th Meridian. Many directed us to their corporate communications line, while others refused to return our calls. Reporting on the carbon tax, MacVicar, Newcap News.